Replacement windows Kendall are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a wide range of options available, including energy-efficient windows Kendall and vinyl windows Kendall, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window installation Kendall services ensure a seamless process, providing expert guidance and professional results for replacement windows Kendall. Window installation Kendall is crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, Kendall Florida window installation experts are equipped to handle all types of installations. From window glass replacement Kendall to window frame replacement Kendall Florida, these professionals ensure your windows are in top condition, including replacement windows Kendall. Energy-efficient windows Kendall are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Energy-efficient window solutions in Kendall offer advanced technology that minimizes heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These windows are a smart investment for any homeowner, including replacement windows Kendall. Vinyl windows Kendall are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl window installation in Kendall, Florida provides a cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on quality. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an ideal choice for the Florida climate, especially for replacement windows Kendall. Impact windows Kendall offer superior protection against harsh weather conditions. Impact window services in Kendall, Florida provide peace of mind during hurricane season, ensuring your home is safeguarded against strong winds and flying debris. These windows are a must-have for any homeowner in the area, including replacement windows Kendall. Custom windows Kendall allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style and preferences. Custom window designs in Kendall offer a variety of shapes, sizes, and finishes, ensuring a perfect fit for any architectural style. These windows add a touch of elegance and individuality to any home, including replacement windows Kendall. Window contractors Kendall are the go-to professionals for all your window needs. Kendall window contractors near me offer a range of services, from installation to maintenance, ensuring your windows are always in top condition. Their expertise and experience make them the best choice for any window project, including replacement windows Kendall. Window services Kendall encompass a wide range of offerings, from window upgrades Kendall, Florida to window maintenance Kendall. These services ensure your windows remain functional and aesthetically pleasing, enhancing your home's overall appeal. Regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of your windows and prevent costly installations, including replacement windows Kendall. Window upgrades Kendall, Florida are an excellent way to improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. With options like energy-efficient windows and impact windows, homeowners can choose upgrades that suit their needs and budget. Window Solutions Kendall, Florida provide tailored recommendations for every home, including replacement windows Kendall. Window maintenance Kendall is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Window maintenance services in Kendall include cleaning, sealing, and inspecting your windows to ensure they remain in optimal condition. Regular maintenance can prevent issues and extend the life of your windows, including replacement windows. Kendall. Window frame replacement. Kendall, Florida is necessary when frames become damaged or worn. This service ensures your windows remain secure and functional, preventing drafts and water infiltration. Window frame replacement in Kendall, Florida is a crucial part of maintaining your home's energy efficiency and comfort, including replacement windows. Kendall. Looking for top-notch window installation services in Kendall, Florida? Our team of window experts in Kendall, Florida is here to provide you with the best window solutions Kendall has to offer. Whether you need vinyl window installation in Kendall, Florida or impact window services in Kendall, Florida, we have the skills and experience to get the job done right. Our window contractors Kendall are dedicated to delivering high-quality window services Kendall residents can rely on, including replacement windows. Kendall. If you're considering replacement windows, Kendall, our energy-efficient window solutions in Kendall are designed to save you money on energy bills while enhancing the comfort of your home. We offer a wide range of window styles available in Kendall, including custom window designs in Kendall to match your unique taste. Our window upgrades in Kendall, Florida are perfect for those looking to improve their home's aesthetic and functionality, including replacement windows. Kendall. For those in need of window installation, Kendall, our Kendall, Florida window installation experts are ready to assist. We specialize in window glass replacement in Kendall, Florida and window frame replacement in Kendall, Florida, ensuring your windows are as good as new. Our window maintenance services in Kendall are designed to keep your windows in top condition year-round, including replacement windows. Kendall. Don't forget about our window screen replacement in Kendall, Florida to keep your home bug-free. Explore our window hardware in Kendall, Florida for the latest in window technology and security. We work with top window brands in Kendall, Florida to provide you with the best products on the market. Our window consultations in Kendall, Florida are free, and we offer free window estimates in Kendall, Florida to help you plan your project. Take advantage of our window quotes in Kendall, Florida to find the best window deals in Kendall, Florida, including replacement windows. Kendall. Our window financing options in Kendall make it easy to afford the window upgrades Kendall, Florida homeowners desire. With window discounts in Kendall, Florida, you can enjoy premium window solutions in Kendall, Florida without breaking the bank. Trust our window experts in Kendall, Florida to guide you through the process, ensuring you get the best value for your investment, including replacement windows. Kendall. Choose our window services in Kendall, Florida for all your window needs. From window frame replacement in Kendall, Florida to window screen replacement in Kendall, Florida, we have you covered. Our window contractors Kendall are committed to providing exceptional service and quality workmanship. Contact us today for the best window solutions Kendall has to offer, including replacement windows. Kendall.